It's been an incredible experience with IPAC. All the webinars and the sessions have been awesome. And Komal ma'am, she's just marvelous. Earlier, I was not sure of things and I was completely lost midst of my thoughts and all. But now I really feel confident thanks to IPAC. You have been one of those charming gardeners who make my soul blossom. Thanks to you. Thanks for everything that has been done during these webinars and sessions. Thank you.
It was a great experience of learning with IPAC for a month. When your friends and teachers are friendly, it becomes a family, a home, a bond of disseminating knowledge from both parties and vice versa. It has helped me equip with better ideas and most importantly finding the ideal self, and I wish and hope that with this learning I can help people around me. Wish IPAC a great future endeavor and a life-changing institute for this generation and beyond. Thank you.
IPAC के साथ CBT ट्रेनिंग मेरे लिए बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्सपीरियंस रहा है। कोमलप्रीत मैम ने इतने अच्छे से हमको ट्रेन किया है कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपने अब क्लाइंट्स की हेल्प बहुत अच्छे से कर पाऊंगी। मैं एक प्लेटफॉर्म चाहती थी जिससे मुझे कुछ सीखने को मिले ताकि मैं आगे अपना करियर स्टार्ट कर पाऊँ। तो ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा कि कोमलप्रीत मैम ने और वासुली मैम ने दोनों ने बहुत अच्छे से हमें ये वाली ट्रेनिंग दी है। मुझे नहीं लगता कि हम लाइफ टाइम इसे भूल पाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
Hello everyone, I'm Samriti Patania. I got myself enrolled in the CBT internship program. It's been a month and I have felt a shift in the way I think and how I recognize my belief patterns as well as the people around me. It has been a very enriching and educational 1 month for me. I have become more aware of my thought process as well as the people around me with whom I'm directly related, and I think it has empowered me and strengthened me to practice CBT as a therapy in the future and help me become an efficient counselor. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Veda Vildar. I currently did an internship on CBT with IPAC. My experience of internship was really good because first of all, I did not feel as an intern. I mean, it was not a kind of environment wherein I felt like a student and they are teaching me. It was more of a very friendly and casual environment wherein we interacted and we laughed, we shared, we expressed, and also I did not hesitate from making mistakes, which I usually do. I did not worry about saying anything wrong, asking silly questions. I was comfortable with asking my doubts, and yeah, it has also increased my understanding about the subject. It has made me view the world. It has basically matured my perspective and it has improved my understanding of our thinking, of our thought system. So yeah, it was a really good experience. I hope to be associated with IPAC more.
Hello everyone, myself Rohit. So the experience was, talking about the experience was kind of very pleasing, and the sessions were very helpful for myself, and the way Vasuli ma'am and Komal ma'am were teaching, it was really wonderful. As a student of psychology myself, I was very curious to learn the techniques and the therapies related to CBT, and I got pretty much knowledge about it and the practical exposure, I can say. Even though I did not complete the whole activities the ma'am gave us, but yeah, I can say that I got a pretty much knowledge about it. And the other thing I want to mention that even though the sessions were like learning the specific about the CBTs and kind of stuff, but I think the sessions were more like a therapy for myself. So it is a great experience, and I can use it, the activities and all these things for myself in the future as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Komalpreet and Masuli ma'am, for this amazing CBT session, because with such amazing examples you explained how to change the faulty thinking behavior, and it is really helpful. Thank you.